Hello, welcome back to Cook and Travel. Today, we're crafting a dessert masterpiece, a feast for the senses, and the most beautiful and delicious dessert of the year. We're excited to share this culinary journey with you. Our ingredients: a package of puff pastry sheets, a cup of fresh berries, half a cup of mascarpone cheese, a quarter cup of honey, and some edible flowers and mint leaves for garnish. Roll out the puff pastry on a floured surface, bake it to golden perfection. Whip up a dreamy mascarpone filling with honey, spread the mixture over the cooled pastry, and arrange a cup of vibrant berries on top. Drizzle honey over the berries for a shiny glaze. Garnish with edible flowers and fresh mint leaves for a touch of elegance. Finally, slice into this masterpiece, a harmony of flavors and textures. And there you have it, Cook and Travel's dessert of the year, a feast for the senses. We hope you recreate this stunning dessert at home and let it be the star of your next gathering. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more culinary and travel adventures, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.